There you go. All right, so we're going to use our needle tool, and it goes up in the needle bar. All right, and we have to put some torque on it, so my hand's going to be in the way. Needle comes out. We're going to take the pressure foot off, and then the needle, the head of the needle threader pops off. We can see there's a roll pin that goes through the bar of the needle threader that holds it in place, and you'll see that right there. You'll take your new needle threader, we're going to pretend this is a new one, and you'll see how it goes on. I'm going to push up, but see how I'm holding down with my thumb, and we'll push up on the bottom, feel a click, we've reinstalled the new needle threader. Now, I'll show you. We're going to put the needle back in, we're going to test it, making sure the needle's up all the way. One thing I like to do is go ahead and press the needle up down button, so the needle goes down. We'll press it again, we know it's all the way up without rocking our hand wheel, it's just in the right position. Catching the thread on the way down, crossing it over, we can see the needle threader works. There we go.